Welcome to Spectrum Sphere, the place where curiosity meets discovery. If you're eager to learn something new and interesting every week, you're in the right place. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our diverse world of content. Meal planning is a powerful tool for anyone looking to take charge of their diet. By strategically planning your meals for the week, you can save time, reduce food waste, and ensure that you're getting a balanced diet filled with the necessary nutrients to keep you energized and healthy. A balanced diet is crucial when meal prepping. It helps maintain your health by providing a variety of nutrients from different food groups. Make sure your meals include a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, along with vitamins and minerals, to support your body's needs throughout the week. Moving forward, let's talk about setting clear and manageable goals for your weekly meals. It's not just about deciding what to eat, it's about ensuring your plan aligns with your lifestyle and nutritional needs. Aim for variety, but keep it realistic so you can stick to your plan without feeling overwhelmed. To maintain a balanced diet, you need to know your daily calorie and nutrient needs. Start by calculating your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, then adjust for your activity level. This will give you the number of calories you need to maintain, lose, or gain weight, ensuring your meal plans are tailored to your specific health goals. Moving on to scheduling, consider the rhythm of your week. Align your meal prep with your busiest days to save time, and choose simpler, quicker recipes for days when you have more commitments. Planning ahead like this ensures you consistently have healthy meals, even on your tightest schedules. Now, let's keep mealtime exciting by varying your plan. Rotate through different cuisines and flavors throughout the week to prevent boredom with your meals. Experiment with new recipes occasionally to mix things up. This variety will not only keep your taste buds interested, but also ensures a range of nutrients. When deciding on recipes, opt for those rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Look for dishes that are baked, grilled, or steamed rather than fried. Check for minimal added sugars and processed ingredients. Don't be afraid of herbs and spices. They'll flavor your meals without extra calories. Macronutrients are the cornerstone of any nutritious meal plan. They consist of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, each playing a unique role in our body's functioning. Carbs are our main energy source. Proteins are essential for repair and growth, and fats support cell health. Balancing these in your meals is key for optimal health. Next, let's add a rainbow to your plate with a variety of colorful vegetables. These aren't just visually appealing, they're packed with essential micronutrients. From the reds of bell peppers to the deep greens of spinach, each color represents a different set of vitamins and minerals crucial for your health. Lean protein is vital for building and repairing tissues. To incorporate it into your meals, choose options like chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, or legumes. Grill, bake, or steam these proteins for healthier preparation. And remember, portion control is key. Aim for a palm-sized amount on your plate. Now, let's talk about fats, which are crucial for your overall health. Healthy fats support cell growth, protect your organs, and help absorb nutrients. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. But moderation is essential. Aim for a thumb-sized portion to balance your meals. Choosing the right type of carbohydrates is vital for sustained energy throughout the day. Opt for complex carbs, such as whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables. They break down slowly, providing a steady release of energy and keeping you full longer, which helps in avoiding those midday slumps. Now that your meal plan is set, it's time to create a grocery list. Align it with the ingredients needed for your recipes to ensure you have everything on hand. This focused approach not only saves time, but also prevents food waste and helps you stick to your healthy eating goals. Once your meal plan is ready, it's shopping time. To shop efficiently and cost-effectively, take advantage of fresh seasonal produce, which is more affordable. Bulk buying non-perishables can also cut costs. Don't forget to check for sales and use any coupons. Stick to your list to avoid impulse buys and stay within budget. Between meals, you might get peckish. So let's dive into healthy snacks. Opt for whole fruit, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts to keep hunger at bay. These choices provide essential nutrients and help maintain energy levels. Always have these healthy alternatives on hand to avoid reaching for junk food. Moving on to an often overlooked aspect, cleanliness and proper food storage. Always wash your hands before handling ingredients and ensure your containers are airtight to keep meals fresh. It's crucial to prevent contamination and spoilage by separating raw and cooked items, especially when storing meat and vegetables. Next up, let's dive into meal prepping strategies, specifically cooking in batches. This approach saves tremendous time and energy. By cooking large quantities at once, you can have multiple meals ready for the week. Just ensure you have enough storage space in your fridge or freezer to keep everything fresh. Moving on to an incredibly handy tool for meal prepping, the slow cooker. It's perfect for busy individuals. Simply add your ingredients in the morning, set the timer, and by the evening, you'll have a delicious, healthy meal ready to go. It's convenience and efficiency at its best, with minimal effort required. Assembling your salads should be a mix of convenience and nutrition. Start with a variety of greens, add in colorful vegetables for crunch, and don't forget a protein source. Once you've layered your ingredients, store them in airtight containers to keep everything fresh. Remember, dressings on the side to avoid sogginess. Mastering portion control is key to successful meal prep. Use kitchen scales or measuring cups to ensure accurate serving sizes. Once you've portioned your meals, you can divide them into containers. This step makes it easy to grab and go during the week, and it keeps you on track with your dietary goals. Now, let's organize. Take a moment to label your meal containers with the days of the week and their contents. This not only helps you quickly identify what to eat each day, but also keeps you accountable to your meal plan. A simple label can make all the difference in staying on track. To dodge those common meal prep pitfalls, ensure you're not overcomplicating recipes, which can lead to burnout. Be wary of portion sizes. Too much or too little can derail your diet goals. And remember, variety is key. Eating the same thing daily can lead to boredom and break your healthy habit. After a week of following your plan, take time to reflect. If you're feeling unsatisfied or if your body isn't responding as expected, consider adjusting your portions. Maybe you need more protein or fewer carbs. Tailor your recipes based on your feedback and results for a more personalized approach to meal prep. Life can be unpredictable, so it's important to keep your meal prep routine flexible. Don't be afraid to switch up meals according to your daily needs or if certain ingredients become unavailable. Listen to your body and allow for adjustments. You might need more carbs on workout days or lighter meals when less active. Once you've got your meals prepared, proper storage is key to maintaining freshness throughout the week. Use airtight containers to keep food fresh longer and prevent contamination. Refrigerate or freeze portions depending on when you'll eat them. Labeling your meals with dates helps you track their freshness and ensure nothing goes to waste. As you progress through your meal prepping journey, remember to revisit and refine your meal plan regularly. Pay attention to how your body responds to different meals and adjust your recipes and portions accordingly. This not only helps you meet your nutritional goals, but keeps your diet interesting and enjoyable. While focusing on your solid meals, don't overlook the role of hydration in your meal plan. Drinking ample water is crucial for overall health, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. Aim to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day, not just during meals, to keep your body well hydrated and functioning optimally. Now, while it's important to stay disciplined, allowing yourself occasional treats is key for sustainability. Incorporate cheat meals responsibly by planning them into your week. This helps control cravings and prevents binging. Remember, the goal is balance, so enjoy that slice of pizza or piece of cake guilt-free and in moderation. Staying motivated with meal prep is crucial. Remember why you started, for health, energy, and well-being. Mix up recipes to keep things exciting and reward yourself for consistency. When you feel like giving up, reflect on the progress you've made. Stick with it. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey at Spectrum Sphere. If you found our tips on healthy meal prep helpful, please show your support by giving us a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more diverse discoveries. Share this guide with friends and stay tuned for our next enlightening video.